In this video, we are going to understand the division short trick with the method of Vedic Maths. And for that, we will learn how to solve the division within few seconds, and we will use only single digit number of the divisor to find out the division result. Hello my awesome students, welcome back to my channel Akshar. I am Nana and I make videos related to short tricks of the mathematics. So let's start our today's topic, which is related to the division trick. How to solve the division questions within few seconds. So suppose in the normal division, number of digits are given to you in dividend and divide. So the best part of this trick is that you do not need to consider all the number of digits. You need to consider only the first digit of the divisor. So let us take our first example. Let us suppose 4680 is being divided by 72. So as I have told you, we will consider only the first digit. So let's forget about the second digit 2 for now and start doing your normal division. And let us suppose that in normal division, what we do, we will check that this 4 is divisible by 7 or not. So we can say that 4 is not divisible by 7. So let us take this 46 now and check that 46 is divisible by 7 or not. Yes, it is divisible by 7. So to divide 46 by 7, I have to consider 7 6 the 42 in the normal division and do the subtraction as we do in the normal division. I will get 4. And then again, what I will do in the normal division step, check that 4 is divisible by 7 or not. No, 4 is not divisible by 7. So let's take out 8 from the upper part and we will get 48 here. So now, whenever we are taking any digit from the upper part, then we have to do one more step other than the normal division process. And what is that step? You have to multiply your last digit with the last quotient, means you have to multiply your 6 with 2 and we'll get 12, and subtract this 12 here, we will get 8 minus 2 6, we will get 36 here. And now proceed with the normal division process. Check that 36 is divisible by 7 or not. So yes, it is divisible. At what? 7 5s are 35. So after doing subtraction, we will get 1. 6 minus 5, we will get 1. So now again check that 1 is divisible by 7 or not. No, 1 is not divisible by 7. So we will do what? So again take 0 from the upper part and we will get 10 here. So if we are taking any digit from the upper part, so what we have to do? We have to multiply our last quotient value 5 by 2. So 5 into 2 will be what? It will be 10. So do the subtraction and our remainder will be equal to 0. So my answer after doing this division will be 65. So you can see that how much easier it is, and it is also related to the normal division process. Moving to our question number 2. In this question number 2, forget about this value 3 and start dividing in a normal method with the 4. So if I am going to divide this 15 by 4, then I will get what? I will get 4 3s are 12, and after doing this subtraction, I will get what? I will get 3. So let's check it out. This 3 is divisible by 4 or not? No, this 3 is not divisible by 4. So what I will do? I will take another number which will become my 36. So once I am taking another number, so what I will do? I will do multiplication of 3 by 3 and will get 9. So after doing this subtraction, I will get 27. So now see, 27 is divisible by 4 or not? Yes, 27 is divisible by 4. At which number it will be divisible? 4 6 are 24. Now do again this subtraction. I will get 3. Check that 3 is divisible by 4 or not? No, 3 is not divisible by 4. Then what I will do? I will take another number which will become 39. Now I have taken another number. So what is my next step? My next step is, instead of going to the normal division, I will do the multiplication of this. 3 into 6 is 18 and will do subtraction. Here 9 minus 8 will be 1. 3 minus 1 will become 2. So this is my 21. So check that 21 is divisible by this or not. Yes, 21 is divisible by 4. At which number it will be divisible? It will be divisible by 4 5s the 20. Last will be 1. Now again check that if this one is divisible by 4 or not. No, this is not divisible. So what I will do? I will take another number. It will become 5. Now 15 is divisible by, so now before going to the normal division method, what I have to do, because I have taken number from the upper side, so I will do multiplication of 3 into 5 and it will be 15. So my answer will be equal to 0. So my quotient is here, it will be equal to 360. Okay, so let's meet in the next video in which we are going to understand that how to do division by the 3-digit number. This was my 2-digit number. So let's understand in the next video how to do division by a 3-digit number. Okay. If you find my video useful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get more updates of my new videos. So let's meet in the next video in which we are going to understand how to solve the division questions if the dividend is a 3-digit number. Till then, take care and bye-bye.